Good morning, students. I hope you are safe and secure at home. So today I am going to show you a video related to craft as planned in the schedule. So follow these steps shown in the video. For this we need glue, scissors, stapler, pastel sheet and a saw. Now cut this saw from the tip side like this. Next we need a white pastel sheet. Then cut this folded sheet. You have to draw a shape like this and then cut it like this. Now fix this sheet inside the saw. Then cut edges of the saw. And fold the corners of the socks. Take glue and paste it like this. You can staple it with stapler also. But students, first you have to paste with it glue and then take stapler and then staple it with stapler. Now you have to take one red sheet of the same size. Now cover the white sheet with this red sheet to make it neat. Now put your hand inside the sock and check the mouth area is ready now. Students, next we need a black thin strips paste it like this and then overlap it with one pink circle. And then paste it on the tip side of the sock. Now we have to make the ears. For this we need one pink sheet and one white sheet. Cut one white sheet and one pink sheet in this. Now paste it on the top of the sock. Students, now we have to make eyes. For this we need one white sheet and one black sheet. Take one circle white sheet and then one small circle of black sheet and then paste it like this. Your eyes are ready and you have to paste it in the front of ear. And your puppet is ready. Now for next puppet, we have to take one black sock. For this we need one red oil pastel sheet. Now cut a red circle from it. For cutting, you can take help from your parents also. Now paste it, and now we have to take two thin black strips and paste it like this. Now take that red circle, put some glue on this strip and paste the red circle over it. And paste this on the toe side of the sock. Now we have to paste the eyes also. I've already taught you how to make eyes. Paste it like this, students. Now we have to make ears. For this we need triangle shape. One red and one black triangle. Paste it as shown in the video. Your puppet is ready. Kids, if you don't have color sheets, then take one white sheet and color it with oil pastel colors. Thank you.